What's up, everyone, and welcome back. Right. Yeah, I think you might get sick and tired of this, but yeah, back again with another Klein tool, this time 11-in-1 magnetic screwdriver nut driver. So part number, if you can see that, is 32500 MAG. It's another Klein tool. This has got a big hefty handle on it. I'm liking it. There's some weight in this one. I'm liking it already. But here's all the information. Integrated screwdriver, nut driver shaft, holds 8 popular tips and converts to 3 nut driver sizes. Strong rare earth magnets securely hold bits and fasteners. Interchangeable blade for quick and easy switch out. Cushion grip. Yeah, I can vouch for that. The grip is brilliant. I'm loving the grip. Cushion grip handle for greater torque and comfort. So this is another one made in Taiwan again. There. So just the general information here. So you got 1 and 2, 3/16 and a quarter. You got a square drive 1 and a square drive 2. Torx 10 and a Torx 15. And then you got a quarter and 5/16 and 3/8 nut drivers. Brilliant. So I'll have to convert all that, but I'm not going to do it today. Anyway, we'll get in and show you the bits. So here we are. Side of the packaging. Klein Tools there, and then you got the part number on the handle. You know what? You get plenty of torque on that, wouldn't you? I wonder if that. Why is that moving? Hey, there's the handle. So it really goes up to there, the metal piece that's inside there. So, oh, just got off camera now. So if you can just make that out, that at least sits up to there, about there. But you know what? Why is that moving? Is that supposed to do that? Nope. Should be all right. Hold on. Anywho, let's get back to this bit here now. So, should be taken. God, this. Somebody did mention that these are difficult to get out, and they're not as quick. But I think I totally agree with them. These are a bit hard to remove. Hey, at least they've put the 2 square drives together. I didn't look at the other side. So, oh, they still went with the flat and the Phillips on. So, yep, these are hard to get at right. This is what I'm not liking. Maybe over time they'll loosen up, but there's the nut driver that they're on about, the 2 that are on this shaft here, and then you got your other nut driver, that's the quarter. Yeah. And then I suppose you could use these as nut drivers as well. But, and they've put the two torques together. Again, you got your number one and the smaller flat blade. That's pretty cool. Is that right? That's not stainless steel. So, prone to rusting? Yeah. It's not stainless steel. Put that back in there. Oh, no, that's the one. So I'll put in the one that I use the most first, and then I'll put the flat blade in there. That's the square. It's a shame I can't put, hold on. Yes, I can. Brilliant. So this is how I'm going to do it. I don't use these two very often, but I will put these two together. There you go, at least those fit. Brilliant. That's that sorted out. But number two I use the most. That's going in there. These I rarely use, but I just like the feature the way it was. But these are difficult to get out. Considerable amount of force there. Yeah, they are hard to get out. But that's the way, there's some weight behind there. Overall, what do I reckon overall? Pretty good. Could do with improving on these here. This I'm not liking. Can you hear that? I'm not liking that. That shouldn't be. And then that twists a bit. I suppose you can hear that. Yeah. But overall, I'm not going to argue, with all honesty. And that's that. That's my journey going on to Klein. But I'm liking the others. I thought I'd bring these in. I haven't done these, seen these. I've used this a couple of times, and I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Always, don't get me wrong. These are all used at home, so you know you're not going to see much damage or whatever. But these are used at home. You know, I like meddling, but I'm liking that one. I might introduce this one to work. Take it out in the field. Okay, right. On that note, please do subscribe, share, give it the thumbs up. Appreciated. See you on the next one.